Hello everyone. Today we are looking at how power is used and restrained through the life of King David. We are compared to defining moments in his reign. 2 Samuel 12 records one of the darkest moments in David's life. After committing a grave sin, he is confronted directly by the prophet Nathan, who declares, "You are the man." Faced with this piercing accusation, David does not silence the prophet, nor does he attempt to defend himself. Instead, he acknowledges his sin and repents. Through repentance, he restores his relationship with God and preserves the legitimacy of his kingship. This episode shows that true leadership is not about being beyond criticism, but about having the humility to receive it and the courage to correct oneself. 2 Samuel 24 presents a striking contrast. Driven by pride and confidence in military strength, David orders a census of the people. His commander Joab raises objections, questioning the necessity of the act. Yet the king insists and overrides the council with his authority. The result is devastating. The plague strikes Israel, and 70,000 people die. Here the lesson is sobering. When power refuses correction and silences dissent, the cost is often borne not by the ruler, but by the people. Comparing these two cases, we can summarize a few points. Those who accept dissent see it as a corrective medicine, while those who reject it see it as an obstacle. Power can be a form of stewardship or a tool of ownership, and the outcomes are clear. Repentance saves the community, while pride and autocracy destroy it. In conclusion, true greatness in leadership is not about being infallible, but about remaining correctable. When leaders use sacredness to shield themselves from accountability, they create a kind of a spiritual plague. David's story reminds us the cost of leaders' silence is always paid by the people.